Welcome to the Green Data Ventures Cookbooks, the video series where we share recipes for success. In previous videos, we have explored creating quotes in general in project operations. In this video, we will be diving deeper into quoting so you can more easily customize project proposals to meet the needs of your customers. In this video, we are in the sales area of project operations, specifically under the quotes area, and we're going to start by creating a new quote. When we create a new quote, we end up at the summary area. And as we've discussed previously, there are a few things that are required. So I'll be entering those in right now. Quote test 1. And we're going to use round 1. You have to specify a product price list as well, and we're going to use the default one. Today I want to get more into contracting unit and what this means. So contracting unit is a specific unit or part of your organization that you will be contracting with this customer for. And so this is a really important step to set on the quote. And it's really important that you set it when you create a new quote, because as you'll see in just a moment when I save this, you will not be able to update it after. It will be locked. And as you can see, Project Operations does recommend that you use it. That's what this blue plus means versus this red asterisk. They do recommend that you use it, and this really helps for revenue recognition down the line and just making sure that it's very organized where this quote is coming from. So with that, let's save it, and as you'll see, it will lock the contracting unit piece, and you will not be able to update that after. So if you, for some reason, use the wrong contracting unit, you will have to make a new quote to correct this. Great. So now that we've talked about contracting unit, let's go a little bit deeper into custom price list creation. So in project price lists, as you can see, as we said earlier, we have a default price list. And this default price list, maybe it's not quite what you want for this customer. So to create a custom price list, you click these 3 dots and you can hit create custom pricing with this little graph in the corner. So let's click this. This will not change the existing price list, but it will create this copy that you can modify as much as you need. So as you can see, it has this new default price list quote test 1 specifically. And if we click into that, you'll see how it's different from the default price list that we had before. So if we click here, you can see that we're now in this default price list, specifically for right now, and you can change how much things cost. So it's very similar to how you do a normal price list, basically the same thing, except that you can change it and it will not change the default one. So if we click into here, and maybe we want Project Manager to be a little less expensive for this client, you can change that to $100, and we can save. And now we have a customized price list for this specific quote. Save and close. And then any quote lines we add will now reflect those specific prices that we've just set for our new project quote.